Hello, I'm Naziha and I'm 11 years old. Career information describes information that supports career and learning choices. A career is an occupation undertaken for a significant period of a person's life and with opportunities for progress. My ambition is to be a librarian when I grow up. What's your ambition? A librarian is a person who works professionally in a library, providing access to information and sometimes social or technical programming to users. To become a librarian, you need to have these qualities: skill, education, ability, and knowledge. For personal characteristics, you need to love reading, be highly organized, detail-oriented, keep up with tech trends, be a good researcher, have strong commitment, and self-discipline. The role of a librarian is continually evolving to meet social and technological needs. A librarian is in charge of collecting, organizing, and issuing library resources such as books, films, and audio files. They work in a range of settings including public libraries, schools, and museums. Their duties include issuing resources, cataloging books, and conducting regular audits. That is all from me today. You can do it. You can achieve your dreams. Just remember to stay hydrated and spread positivity. Thank you.